Alright guys, it's Sunday afternoon, about 4:30. Been a weird couple days. Well, not weird, it's actually typical for Cambodia, but weird in the sense that, well, I'll just tell you. Yesterday, actually last night, Saturday night, I got a call from my former boss at Camland Language Academy, Terrace. He called me and asked me about my fast track English, what was going on, how many students I had. The reason he was asking is because starting Thursday, this coming Thursday, because the school is shut down for the Chinese New Year, which begins today and will last through Wednesday. So the schools will be closed. But he wants me to come back in and teach the afternoon class only from 1:30 to 4:30 because they desperately need a teacher. He said they only have 5 students in the class. I wanted to know if I could help him out. We agreed on a couple things first. I said yes, simply because I do not have any students enrolled. I did not have any students enrolled in my afternoon class for fast track English. And my thinking was, even though the money is not great, of course, because they're struggling just to stay open right now, but still, I can make some money in the afternoons. I will still have my morning class, which has the students. And the understanding is that as soon as I get students for my afternoon class, then I would be done there, because I would have to take care of my own business, of course. So we agreed on that. That's actually where we're going now. He's in Siem Reap for the weekend. And he said if I had a chance to come up to the school today in the afternoon and we could talk in person. But then this morning, Sunday, or this early afternoon, I should say, 1 o'clock, we had our first Pay What You Can class. For those that don't know, this is an opportunity for anybody in Siem Reap to just show up, get an hour's worth of English lessons, 1 hour each week, and they simply pay what they can. They don't have to sign up long term. They just have to show up every Sunday. Whatever they can afford that week, they can give it to me, and we'll give them an hour's class. So I had 2 people show up, and the weird thing was we never actually started a class. They just started asking me questions more about my Monday through Friday classes, what other hours I had, other classes. We talked for only maybe 15-20 minutes. She's gonna stop here and get a juice, sugarcane juice. But we talked for we only talked for like 15-20 minutes, and they both decided to sign up for my afternoon class. Now keep in mind, this is after I'd already agreed to come work for Camland again in the afternoon. Now they signed up for the early evening class, but the thing with the early evening class is that I have it scheduled from 5:30 to 6:30. However, one of them has a regular Khmer class that starts at 6 every day. Hello. 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 It starts at 6 every day. So he couldn't do 5:30 to 6:30, so we all agreed 4:30 to 5:30 every day, Monday through Friday. Which is fine with me until I realized my afternoon class at Camland is from 1:30 to 4:30. Since I have to walk home, that takes 20 minutes or so. That was not going to give me enough time. So now I have to go up here and let him know that I can still do it in the afternoons for the same price he offered, same terms, but I will have to leave a half hour early every day so I can get home and take care of my own class. That was not expected, but I'm glad it happened. And then at the end, I asked them, "Oh, hey buddy, how are you? Come over here, sniff my pee." Oh, okun. Sugar cane juice. So anyway, that's going to have to be the deal. I'll talk to him when I get there. I'm glad to get the business from these other folks, but the way it worked out was just kind of weird. I figured, I'll go in there, you know, make a couple $100 a month while I'm waiting for my classes to fill up. And now we're gonna have to change that plan once again. But that's the way it is here sometimes. Things can happen. Some things can seem to take forever to happen, but then out of nowhere, you'll just have this option, and this option, and you'll have to make some quick decisions on which is the best one for you. Just the way it is. But anyway, my buddy Bill, I told you about his channel in my last video. Cambodia, yeah! Exclamation point. He's in the air right now. He left from Tucson, Arizona, got a flight to LA, and now his flight is in the air currently, headed to Tapai, Taiwan, before he catches the connector to Bangkok. And then of course Bangkok gets an hour plane ride to Siem Reap. He should be in sometime tomorrow. Looking forward to seeing him. At least it's a nice day for a walk. I just hope he's going to be there. I don't know. He didn't really say if he was going to call before when he was there or not, but oh well, it's a nice little walk either way. Oh, I also I found me a free website and a free logo maker. If you look on my Fast Track Facebook page, I will put the link down below. You'll be able to click a link to go to my website. Of course, I'll leave that link below also. But you can also see a post that includes my new logo that I made. My website is a work in progress. It's always got this weird address because it's free, you know, and unless you upgrade, you can't change it to one of your liking. It's like fast-English-66 dot webself, I think it is, .com. I think. I don't know. But it was pretty easy to use. Has a good editor. A lot of templates you can use. So anyway, I'll leave the links down below so you guys can check out the web page I made. I'm not a logo designer. I am not a website designer. I have no artistic experience or flavor or flair, I guess you could say. So if you guys want to go ahead and take a look at the links down below and leave me a comment, let me know what you like, what works for you, what doesn't work for you. If you have any other hints or tips, of course, those are always appreciated. I always say I've got some of the smartest subscribers on YouTube, always offering me very good advice and feedback. Yeah, I haven't made a video on here for a while, of course, because I had no need to come this way since I don't work over here anymore. But this is a really nice little coffee shop. Nice little place to go if you just want to grab something to drink, have a seat out of the sun. Ooh, but the last time I walked by here, this place wasn't even done yet. They were just building it. Get out of the way of the bus. I wanted to show you this. Oh, it looks like they got a... Oh, there's a business in there now. Looks like a tailor shop of some kind. Hey, buddy. Oh. And a laundromat. Yeah. Laundromat, tailor shop, and of course, get some grilled chicken at the same time. Well, that's cool. They were just finishing up building that. The last time I walked by, it's good to see it's finished, ready to go. All right. Say hello to Sing Lai. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, we're just walking back, and as I suspected, the gates were locked. Terrace wasn't there, but it was still a nice walk. I just wanted to show you guys this. This is those are frogs, whole frogs. I've never seen that before. I've been here over a year. This is the first time I've seen them cooked like this. How awesome is that? And the smell is like incredible coming out there. Grilled whole frogs, y'all. That is amazing. We saw them on the way there, but I wanted to get there to see if Terrace was at the school, and I didn't want to stop and take a picture right now, but man, if you could smell what I smell, you would know what I mean. Smells pretty awesome. Anyway, just wanted to show you that before I end this one here. I have to finish up one of my lesson plans. Tomorrow's is already done, but I'm trying to get them done for Tuesday and Wednesday. I like to be 2 days ahead, so I can just print them out all at once instead of keep going to the printers. You'll understand what I mean once you come over here and start teaching. It's just better to stay a couple days ahead. So I got to go do that, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.